Good morning, Amazing Pet TV. This is Coco and Lemon. Coco the green one and then Lemon the blue one. And this is the second day. Let's check. Oh, I was surprised. They almost finished the stick. Wow. Yesterday I thought they don't like it, but today really I was amazed. They almost finished the half of the stick. Very good, Coco and Lemon. Very good. Very good bird. Oops. You happy? Are you happy? Chirp, 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 chirp. Say hi to them. Say hi. And then this one. Hello. Good morning, Coco and hello. Good morning. This is Joe and Jet. And let's check what happened to their stick. Sweet stick. Ooh. It's really. They almost almost finished the whole stick. So nice. Say hi to them. Say hi. Joe and Jet, say hi. Say hi to your fans. Ooh, really amazing. Love it, huh? Really love it. Oh, how sweet. How sweet, baby.